Hey everyone, Karan here from TechRefs, and today we are doing a review between the Bose SoundLink uh, Revolve Plus and the JBL Charge 5. Now, this is a slightly unfair comparison. This one costs about 14,000, that one costs about 24,000, roughly 10,000 of difference, and both of these but fall within the mid-range speaker category. They are not large enough. But they are not extremely small, so they are just the right size, and I would say they both fall within the semi-premium category. At least the Revolve Plus does too. So that's the SoundLink 2, and we are going to do a good quick sound test between these two. And I have connected it, of course, to the iPhone, and over here you can see JBL Charge 5, JBL Charge 5 and Bose Revolve 2 SoundLink. We will start with JBL Charge 5 first, and what I'll be doing, I'll be placing these in front so you'll know which one is playing first. And we are starting at this volume level, whatever this is. Let's say it's 20%. And first we'll start off with JBL Charge 5. If you want to buy any of these speakers, the descriptions are in the link down below if that helps you at all. Let's start with JBL Charge 5.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
Alright, I can't hear it at all. So what we need to do is we need to bring it here, and same for Charge 5, we need to bring it somewhere there. I think the sound levels are similar now, so let's put Charge 5. So at that level Bose is not audible at all, so let's just start where we left off.
The path that we believe in, no, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
Alright, time for the Bose. And another thing, the Bose is 360-degree audio, so you can literally have it in any way. It's not a challenge, and JBL is a single directional, so you need it to be front. So let's start for Bose.
We will rise up and we find the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
Alright, so again, I think Charge 5 wins in the loudness over there. Now let's put it up at this level, and same for Charge 5, let's put it at this level. So both should nearly be identical now. Yep, they are. Now let's have the Charge 5. Now this is where it should ideally get interesting, because well, the Bose speakers actually start getting loud now. So let's just see.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go. that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Alright, time for the Bose at the same volume levels. I'll keep it like this. So, alright, as you can see, we are at JBL, Bose, and let's start at, I think we were somewhere here.
Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Alright, so now you could see that the audio was much better, because there's a very steep curve actually for this. For JBL, it's pretty gradual, the volume keeps on increasing gradually. But for the Bose, all of a sudden it peaks out a lot. So that's why, now I felt that the sound was better. Let's do one thing. We'll have both these speakers here. So let me put this here, the Bose, and let me put the JBL here. And there's a kind of a variation in the sound signature that they have. So the further apart you go, Bose sounds much better and JBL actually sounds quite muffled. So let's just put another music. Alright, let's put another one song. And let's again put JBL Charge 5, and this is the sound level. And again, a song by Fat Rat, so Unity. We are at JBL right now. Alright, Bose. JBL. You can see that the JBL is a lot more dynamic. Charge 5. Alright guys, so I think you got a good idea about both these speakers. I think the JBL definitely sounds a lot more punchy. This sounds a lot more open, and I'll say the vocals come out better here. Here it's just a lot more high pitched. I think for rock music, this should be really good. The Bose JBL should be good for more hip hop, EDM sort of music. And yeah, if you want more of a one directional sort of a speaker, this is good. But if you want more openness in the sound, this is good. Both are good. I sort of lean towards this a little bit more. This is definitely more dynamic in sound, but I lean more towards the Bose. Yeah. So at the end of the day, which speaker should you pick? It's completely your choice. You have both these options. This will sound a lot more open if you put it in an open room, and this will sound quite good. This will sound great in an open air environment where the sound really needs to travel. So yeah, so pick your poison. Both are great. Both are good speakers. This one a lot cheaper, and this one not that cheap. But I have both the links down below, and you can pick either of the poison for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace. See you in the next one.